Sync a OneNote notebook. The way we'll talk about in this video is with Skydrive.com and a computer. Notice here that I've located a OneNote notebook in my Skydrive.com account. I'm going to choose to go ahead and open that notebook in the actual OneNote web app in Skydrive. This can be opened on any browser. At this point, now that it's actually opened here on the web, I have the option to open in OneNote on my computer. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. I'm going to go ahead and trust the source. Notice at this point it asks me to sign in to my Windows Live account. Now once I put in my username and password for my Windows Live ID, I want to go ahead and ask it to remember my ID and password. Because remember, this is your teacher computer or your main computer that you want to sync back and forth with Skydrive. And to do that, you want to make sure you're signed in on the computer so it'll quick synchronization. Once you do that, it goes ahead and finishes opening up on your computer itself. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down in my notebooks, and here is that notebook, and notice that it's syncing. And it's here right on my computer. At any time that I want to manually sync my notebook, just to make sure it's syncing, I can right-click and sync this notebook or Shift F9. And notice that as soon as I click that, it actually will start syncing my notebook, and it's putting a backup copy on Skydrive.com. That will also sync with other mobile devices or other devices that I actually have syncing with this notebook as well. Now the other way to do this is not to start at Skydrive.com, but to actually start within a OneNote notebook. So you can go here to File in OneNote. Notice that the notebooks are listed here. Locate one that you want to sync to the web, and it'll say right on it, Share on Web or Network. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that underneath one of my notebooks. Now I'm going to choose Web, and I'm going to choose where on the web on my Skydrive account I want it located. I'm going to go ahead and choose Documents, and now you click Share Notebook. This will look a little bit different with Office 2013, but the same concept. Right now, if it's asking if I want to share with others, right now I'm not going to. I'm just going to choose No Thanks. And now let's scroll back up and notice now that this notebook that I have here is now syncing to my Skydrive as well.